Hi, this is Darren Johnson, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fund your Kraken account, assuming you're just getting started with regular currency, regular dollars and cents, and you want to turn that into cryptocurrency that you can trade on the Kraken Exchange so that your Copyprotraders are able to trade your funds on your behalf. Now, most of the time people will buy Bitcoin to make this happen, and they'll go ahead and send their Bitcoin to the Kraken Exchange. Now, the problem with doing that is when I first got started, I bought Bitcoin, and it ended up going down in value between the time my Bitcoin cleared and the time I sent it over to the Kraken Exchange. I had lost a few $100s, and so after that I learned a more consistent, stable way to send your currency to your Kraken Exchange, and that's what I'm going to share with you right now. So to avoid that from happening, you want to put your money in stable coins. And there's a way to do that so that by the time it gets to the hand of the traders, they do all the trading. They're the professional traders. I leave the trading up to them. So I want to get stable coins into their hands that don't fluctuate in price. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open a Coinbase account. If you don't already have one, the link is below the video to show you how to do that. The link to Coinbase is going to be below the video. So once you do, this is going to be an example of your back office. And what you want to do is you want to, of course, fund your Coinbase account with money. And how do you do that? You're going to buy, so you're going to click buy, sell, and let's just say you're going to put $200. So right here where it says buy Bitcoin, you're going to change that to USD coin and click on that, and then you're going to pay with whatever account you have linked up to your Coinbase account. So in my case, it's my Chase checking account, and then you're going to click buy USD coin. And after you do that, almost instantly, you're going to have $200 worth of USD coin in your back office of your Coinbase account. Now, what you want to do is you want to send that USD coin to your Kraken Exchange. And make sure when you're buying, though, I want to go over this again. Make sure when you're buying that you changed Bitcoin, and you're going to do exactly what I'm doing. You're going to look for USD coin. You're going to click that. That's a stable coin, right? It's like dollar for dollar, minus a couple of pennies here or there. And then, so you're going to buy your USD coins. All right, so let's get back to it. So now you've got $200 in your Coinbase account. You're going to go to your Kraken Exchange. So you come over to your Kraken Exchange. You're going to click on funding. I'll do it again so you can see it. And then we're going to scroll all the way down. Or you could do a search, it would probably be easier. So in the search bar, type in US, and then there it is right there, USD coin. All right, so make sure it's not USD dollar, USD coin. Okay, do exactly what I'm doing. You're going to click deposit. And now, again, you're in USD coin deposit because it has to be wallet for wallet has to be the same. So if you're buying USD coin on Coinbase, you're sending USD coin to Kraken, you got to drop it in the same exact wallet or it'll get lost. All right, so make sure you're sending it to a USD coin wallet, and that's where I'm at right now. And so right here, you can see I've already done this twice. I always generate a new address whenever I'm going to be sending money. Now, I don't know if you need to, you might be able to use the used address, but I'm just telling you what I do. And I always use a new address, and I've been successful whenever I've done this. So then you're going to click select to grab that address, all right? And the reason why you want to click select is because it grabs it exactly the way it's supposed to. There are no spaces. You didn't grab an extra space. Everything is as it should be if you click select. You take that address and you come back over to your Coinbase account, and then you click on send receive. And then imagine that said $200. So we're going to send $200, and then change this, pay with, you're going to pay with USD coin. So you click on that, all right, and then you're going to paste that address that we grabbed right here where it says to. Control V, that pastes it right into place, okay? And so imagine it said $200. It's going to say 0 now because I don't have $200 in my Coinbase account. But if I did, it would say $200 to that address that we grabbed off the Kraken Exchange. We're paying with USD coin, okay? And then you click continue. And then once you do that, the next screen is it's a confirmation screen. It's going to ask you, are you sure you want to do this? They'll tell you how much they're going to charge you to do that. It's usually a couple of bucks. You know, that's how Coinbase makes their money. No big deal. You'll more than make that up in Copyprotraders when you're trading your funds. So once you're at that page, you're going to click continue, and it's going to give you a confirmation. And now that tells you that you successfully sent your $200 of USD coin on its way to your Kraken exchange. All right. Now, once it gets to your Kraken exchange, okay, you're going to see, if you click on funding again, it will reflect in account balances your USD coin assets. All right. And again, it's not showing in mine because I'm not moving it into there. But if I was, it would be where it says crypto assets, it would be here. So let me go down and I'll find it for you. Actually, again, we'll do a search. There it is, USD. So it would appear right in here where it says USD 0.5503. Your total balance would be that $200 that you sent, okay? And you're going to get an email from Kraken that says you've successfully deposited money into your Kraken exchange, all right? And so it's going to be USD, and that's where it's going to live. Now, once it's in your Kraken exchange, you're going to want to convert your USDC into USDT, okay? Because USDT is what the professional traders need in order to trade on your behalf, okay? It has to be in Tether USDT, all right? But to get it into the Kraken exchange, we're using USDC, all right? So don't get confused, okay? If you need to watch this video again, watch it again. All right. So now we've got USDC in our Kraken exchange, and we need to convert that to USDT. So how do we do that? All right, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our back office, and by clicking this Kraken monster right here, that will let us do that. Okay, so then your assets are going to be here. So in my example, USDC would have $200 in it right here. So we're going to click on these three dots in the corner, and then we're going to click on trade. And then you see right here, you're going to go into simple, sell. All right, make sure you're in sell, and you're going to sell USDC for USDT. And you can see that's right at the bottom here. So if you don't see that, I'm going to show you how to make that happen. Now, you may be saying to me, what if this isn't USDC already? All right, so I'm going to show you how to make that happen. All right, so if what you want to do, if yours is not showing USDC to USDT, you're going to click on advanced. Then you're going to click on sell. Then right here, it's going to give you the option to convert any two pairs of cryptocurrency, one into the other. So you're going to search up here for USDC. And then there you go right there. It gives you the option to pair USDC to USDT. So you'll click on that. And then that's how you get that to appear in this box right here. All right. So if yours is already saying USDC to USDT, then all you have to do is go back over to simple. And then you're selling 200 of the USDC at market so that this grays out. and then to USDT 199.95. You're going to click sell, and that is going to trade your USDC for USDT. Now your Copyprotraders can successfully trade on your behalf your USDT, of assuming that your APIs are all set up and you're ready to go in the previous steps that were given to you when you signed up for your Copyprotraders account. And where's it going to appear? You go back over here to assets, and it's going to be Tether USD. So that's where your newly converted USDC has turned into USDT, and it's in your Tether right here, and then that's what you're going to be trading with. All right, so that's an easier way to send money into your Kraken exchange, avoiding using the volatile Bitcoin currency that could cost you some money by the time it clears and is ready to send into your Kraken exchange. So you do it this way and you don't have to worry about that. And another perk of it is it happens within like 5 or 10 minutes. That's been my experience. By the time I buy the USDC into my Coinbase account, that happens in about a minute or two before I get an information that says it is available for me to send to wherever I want to send it. Once I get that verification email, I am good to go. I can take that USDC and I can send it to my USDC wallet in my Kraken exchange. And then once it gets into my USDC wallet into my Kraken exchange, then I can convert that USDC into USDT. And then that allows me to go ahead and have that money available for my professional traders. And it kept my money stable, so I didn't lose it by the time I was able to get it into my Kraken exchange. So the professional traders at Copyprotraders can go ahead and use that money for my benefit for trading. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, you can reach me. There's a link below this video that will show you how to set up your Copyprotraders account if you don't already have one. I would love to be your sponsor. I'm available to answer questions. I understand how this system works, and I can show you where to go if you're interested in showing other people. I can show you where to find leads, and I've got some really cool bonuses that are also available to you. That you'll see in my marketing funnel if you're interested in that as well. Plus, I have a nice little tracking system that I use that tracks all of my trades that I'm more than happy to pass along to you. All right, here's an example of what it looks like, and these are my trading. These are outcomes of my trades that I've been doing since the 26th of March, and you can see that I've got some pretty good numbers going on here. All right, so I'll give you that too so you can track your trades as well. So this is Darren Johnson. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll be posting others in the future, and I'll talk to you in a future video. Thank you.